welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today, we are making blue cheese dressing. For our ingredients, we have blue cheese, mayonnaise, black pepper, salt, lemon juice, and buttermilk. Here we're going to add in our blue cheese, our pepper, salt, our mayonnaise, our Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and our buttermilk. We are going to mix well, and we are going to cover our dressing and let it hang out in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Now, you can add a little milk or half and half to get the desired consistency that you will like. It will thicken up in the refrigerator. Whether you are using this for a dip or dressing, this is a delicious recipe. Look at that blue cheese dip. Let me tell you, it was delicious with my buffalo chicken wings. So today we made blue cheese dip. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.